Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Adobe Acrobat. First open your browser and search for Adobe Acrobat and press enter. And you will see the official Adobe website in the search results. Click on the first link to open the Adobe Acrobat download page. Before downloading, you may see some of optional offers such as Adobe Express Photos or McAfee Security Scan Plus. If you don't want these extra applications, simply uncheck those options. Now click on Download Adobe Acrobat. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and click Run as Administrator. The installer will automatically download the required files and begin the installation process. Wait until the installation is completed successfully. After the installation finish, click on Finish. You may be asked, so now you can select the Adobe Acrobat as a default, set as default. Now close all the application apps. Now open Adobe Acrobat. I would like to mention that this is the official free version provided by Adobe. It allows you to view PDF files and perform some basic editing tasks. However, if you want to access to advanced editing features, you will need to purchase an Adobe Acrobat subscription. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.